The next type of tunnel that I'm going to create is an isotap tunnel. This is easier to work. Actually, the concept is the same as 64, but I guess the nicety is the easier configuration of this type of tunnel. Now let's go to router 2. I have removed interface tunnel 23 and I want to create it again. So before that I typed interface tunnel 23 and the tunnel source is going to be loopback 0 as you expect. The tunnel mode is going to be IPv6 IP isotap, and now I need to assign an IPv6 address to this tunnel. And actually you can assign any prefix that you want. You do not have to assign any specific IPv6 prefix. So I add IPv6 address, for example 2001, 2000, or anything else that I need to. 2000, for example, 2, 3, this is the prefix, and I type a double colon. After that I assign a 64-bit and I tell to use EUI64, and that's actually a modified version of EUI64 that uses the IPv4 address of the source of this tunnel. And now after a while you can see that IPv6 interface brief tells me that this has assigned the 00005 EFE to the middle of this IPv6 address, and after that you can see the 32-bit IPv4 address of loopback 0 converted to hexadecimal. So this is the configuration of router 2. I want to create a network here to check the connectivity, so I create an interface loopback, for example 100, and I assign an IPv6 address of, for example, 2000 and 100/100, and that's going to be 64-bit. This is 64 so that I can simulate a network in this side. Now let me check the running config of interface tunnel 23. I want to copy all of these and go to the other side and paste it because the configuration is exactly the same. So I have created tunnel 23. After a while this interface is going to be up and running, and now I need to create a static route to reach to the network that I just created here. This is a network 2000, 100, 100, and this is 64-bit network, and I want to put this kind of IP route, IPv6 route actually, is this network that is 64-bit network. And to reach to this I want to go to the next hop of router 2's tunnel interfaces IPv6 address. So I copy this and paste it here. I can see IPv6 route is created like this. Now I can check the connectivity. On router 3 I check this using a ping. You can see the ping is successful because the destination is breached through the tunnel, and I have assigned an IPv6 route, and that's working just nice.